everyone, my name is Tim and in today's video I'll be playing an awesome rocket simulation called Juno New Origins. Let's dive in! First, let's build the rocket. Step 1. We'll be starting by making the fuel tank wider for better stability. Step 2. I'm adding the finance engine, a reliable choice for this build. One of the coolest things about this game is that you can design your own rocket with unique features and functions. Step 3. Let's multiply the finance engines for extra power. On one hand, it's a fun game, but on the other hand, it teaches you the basis of spaceship construction and the science behind how they work. Next, I'll add a heat shield to the capsule to protect it from burning up during re-entry in the atmosphere. And voila! Check out how awesome my rocket looks! Now, let's launch the rocket! Look at that acceleration! So fast! Here's a quick breakdown of the rocket. We've got the engines, fuel tank, interstage, parachute, and the capsule. I'm lowering the thrust to 50% for better efficiency. At 150 kilometers, we'll separate the first stage. Then the second stage separates. I'm walking onto the velocity retrograde as we begin re-entry. And finally splashdown. My capsule landed safely on the water. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun content. See you in the next one.